In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit BNB on Binance using the BP20 network. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just getting started, this guide will make the process straightforward and easy to comprehend. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Binance.com. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do so by providing the necessary information and following Binance's registration process. Once logged in, you're going to focus on the top menu, where you'll find several options. You're interested in the Wallet option. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select Fiat and Spot. This section is where you manage your cryptocurrency deposits and balances. Next, click on Deposit. This is where the transaction begins. Once you're on the deposit page, look for the option Deposit Crypto and select that. You'll now need to specify which cryptocurrency you want to deposit, so select BNB from the list. Binance supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on BNB. Once you've selected BNB, a crucial step follows: selecting the correct network. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Select Network. Click this, and several options will appear. You must choose BEP20, often referred to as the BNB Smart Chain. It's crucial to choose BEP20 because it's the network we're focusing on. Avoid selecting BEP2 or ERC20 unless you are certain the sender supports those networks. Selecting the wrong one could result in a loss of funds, which we certainly want to avoid. After selecting BEP20, Binance will display a QR code alongside a deposit address. This address is your destination address for the BNB transfer. It should start with 0x, reminiscent of Ethereum addresses. This notation is standard for BEP20 addresses and is a good identifier that you're on the correct network. Look for an icon typically shaped like a clipboard or two documents next to the address. This is the copy icon. Click it to copy the address to your clipboard. Be diligent here to ensure you have copied the entire address correctly without any errors, as even a small mistake can send your funds to the wrong place. And there you have it. You're ready to deposit BNB into your Binance account using the BEP20 network. I hope this guide has made the process clear and understandable for you. Keep this information handy for future deposits, and remember to double-check each step, particularly when dealing with networks and addresses, to ensure your transactions go smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.